Adding custom thumbnails to your YouTube videos is one of the most effective ways to get more views on your video and have a consistent brand. However, if you've just created your YouTube account and uploaded your first video, you may be seeing this message that you're not eligible for custom thumbnails, and at the moment you only have the option to select a thumbnail, which is an image from the video that you've uploaded. Now, to enable custom thumbnails, what you want to do is go ahead and click on your icon in the top right hand corner. Then you want to come down into Creator Studio, and then you want to come down here to the left sidebar and click on Channel. Then you want to move down here and really click on Verify. Now at the moment this YouTube channel is not verified, and you can see that I am eligible for some stuff, but custom thumbnails, external annotations, and other important features of YouTube are not enabled. So what you want to do is go ahead and click Verify, and here you will have a couple of options to verify your YouTube channel. You just firstly select your country, and then you can call with an automated voice message or text with a verification code. Now, I think putting in your phone number is probably the easiest thing to do, so I'm just going to type this in. Once you put in your phone number, just hit submit and add in the verification code once you get it by text message on your phone. And now this account has been verified. If we go back to check our status now and scroll down, we can see that the custom thumbnails has been enabled and those other features as well. Now, returning to our video, I can just reload the page. And I can see now that I am able to upload a customized thumbnail. Now it's your turn. Click on your channel icon, go to the Creator Studio, and verify your account under My Channel so that you can add custom thumbnails to your videos and get a whole lot more views.